Alright guys, so I just went through 7 cases looking for supers. Let me see what's actually in the A case. Let's take a look here. So we've got Brick and Mortar, Pontiac Firebird, we've got Dodge Charger, Ford GT40, Ford Escort. I'll take a Ford GT40. Dodge Charger, First Response, we'll pass on that. Let's see what's out here. Here's a Escort, Audi. What is this? This is a C Zinger Zik, new. This is designer, jet style V8. So is this a real car? Looks like it is. I'll leave that for now. Probably don't need that. Car Fantasy to me, USS Enterprise. We'll start putting some up here like that. Papa Wheelie. Maybe I'll leave this up. Alright, so you got Clip Rod, Barbie Corvette. Maybe I'll take one of those. You got your Toyota van, you got your Koenigsegg. I can't even remember which colors I have of those. I think I bought too many. This is the C Zinger. Here's your Treasure Hunt. I don't have this one yet, so I'll take that one. This is the 47 Chevy Fleetline. You got your Custom Auto, Ford Mustang. What is this Custom Auto? Looks like I guess a fantasy car too. You got Porsche, Mad Max, Dune Crusher. Got Batmobile, Koenigsegg, Honda Super Club, Alfa Romeo, Plymouth Barracuda. That is really nice. That one's gonna go home with me too. Barracuda. We got Nomad, limited grip. We got limited grip and Continental. That was we saw in the last case. Someone has started piling up here, so I feel like it's gonna be a mess later. Right now it looks beautiful, but let's see. Nomad Max Steel. These are the Datsun wagons from last case, the Q case from last year. Not Datsun wagons, Volvo wagons. So when I see the back, I look for it. This one had 2 Escorts in it, I think. Monster Ghoul-mobile, that's cute. New for 24. My niece will probably like that. We'll grab this one. Purple car. Electric Model Y. These would be great gifts for people who have blue Model Ys. I'm gonna take that. Barbie Corvette. The Volvo Recolor. I'll take that. This is Ford. 2020 Ram, the white one. I like that. Take that. This is Land Rover, McLaren. I believe that McLaren was in the last case, the Q case, I believe. Another Batmobile. Firebird, limited grip, Nomad. Not too many cars I like in this case. Oh, there's a Mighty K Recolor. I'll just straighten that out for him a little bit. The Volvo is that. And then there's another Ghoul, as well as a Mad Mike. Ooh, this is a Greenwood Corvette. That's pretty nice too. Alright. Oh, actually, I'm going to take the Corvette. So those are just the cars I'm grabbing right there. And everything else goes back.